Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my first fountain pen. This is the Hello Kitty 50th anniversary collaboration with Hello Kitty and KAWECO. This is a KAWECO AL Sport, which means aluminum sport. Now, full disclosure, I did open this already and remove the packaging. I was just too excited, I couldn't help myself. So I do know what it looks like inside, and I'm just so excited to see it again. Let's go over the packaging. This is the cover on it, and I love that it has the gold foiling on the box. Now, I believe this pen was released in 2022, early 2022, and it sold out really quickly. They re-released it at the end of 2023, and I purchased it earlier this year in February of 2024. The pen came in two different colors. It came in pink and lavender, and I purchased the pink. I am so excited about this because it's my first fountain pen. So let's get into this. I'm just going to show you the rest of the box. And here we have the Sanrio licensing, the 50th anniversary Hello Kitty logo. We also have the Hello Kitty bow, which I think is adorable. And the little stamped hologram on the side is actually Hello Kitty's face. That's so cute. I love that. In the back, you have your regular KAWECO labeling, but with the Hello Kitty colorway. So that's really, really nice. So here is the entire box. I really love this box and how they're presenting it. Here's the tin that's inside. Now with me, I wish they had put something Hello Kitty on this, but I think I'm just being picky. But here's the tin that the pen comes in. We're going to flip this open. These are adorable. As I said earlier, the pen came in both lavender and pink. I purchased the pink, but I think it's awesome that they give you both colors of stickers. And this is Hello Kitty's face. She's got 4 different expressions on both sides. And I love that the hearts and the bows are holographic on these stickers. Look at how stinking cute these are. I love them so much. So I'm going to just put those aside. And the other thing that came with this pen is this adorable keychain. It says Hello Kitty 50th anniversary, and it's a shaker keychain. So it has like beads and crystals. There's a pink heart in there, a yellow heart. There's all kinds of confetti, and it's really, really cute. Here is the back of the keychain, and then it has the gold star on it. I love this so much. It's adorable, and I can't wait to add this to all my collection of Hello Kitty items, which is a lot. Next, we have a KAWECO little kind of insert with instructions on how to take care of your pen, how to change the converter, all that fun stuff. I believe that comes in every pen. The next thing that this came with was blue ink cartridge. We're going to get rid of that because I'm not a fan of that. What I'll do is after this video off camera, I'm going to empty that out and clean it, and I'm going to fill it with my own ink. But I did buy a converter off of Amazon. This is the official KAWECO mini converter. That's what fits in the AL Sports. And it's very tiny. There's probably about 1 milliliter that this holds. It's possible that it's even less. And it's a push piston, not the twist. And again, this is the mini KAWECO converter. You want to make sure you get the mini for the AL Sport. Okay, let's get the pen out. And oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. Okay, I'm going to see if I can show you the engraving that's on the pen. It's really awesome. If you look closely, and if I can get my camera to behave, there we go. It says KAWECO and Hello Kitty, and it even has the little Hello Kitty bow. On the other side, we have a stamp that says 2023, and it says Sanrio Co. Ltd. And that's also engraved in the lid of the pen. This is the top, the finial. Now there is no Hello Kitty marking here. It's just your typical KAWECO finial that usually comes on the AL Sports. Now this is an aluminum body. It feels really, really good. So let's unscrew this and take the lid off. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. It has a steel nib. Now my nib I got in fine. I'm not sure if there was any other choices available. It's possible that it only came in fine, but I'm going to see if we can get a close-up look of that nib. Hello Kitty's face is on the actual nib. It's really, really cute. I love it so much. It's beautiful. So I'm going to unscrew this. And I'm going to pop in the converter. I'm going to be filling it shortly. We'll do that in just a little bit. Okay, that fit really snugly on there, so I'm really happy about that. I had heard that sometimes people say theirs don't fit snugly. This one does, so I'm really happy about that. So we're going to just close it up. I really like the weight of this pen. This is my first KAWECO fountain pen. I do have a ballpoint, but it's got a plastic casing, so I really like this a lot. Okay, now it also came with the standard KAWECO clip. I'm a little nervous about putting this on. I feel like it's gonna scratch. So we're just gonna go really slow. Oh my. Is anybody else nervous when they do this? Because I feel really nervous right now. So I did it off camera and I like it at that height. And like I said, you can still see the bow. So this feels really beautiful. I can't believe how beautiful this is. I really love it and I'm really happy with it. The nib looks really good. It looks like it's lined up correctly, the alignment on it. So let's ink this up. I'm going to do this with a syringe. So syringe needle warning coming up. I'll show you guys what I plan to ink it up with. I have this ink from Teranishi Chemical Industry. It's called Opera Rose. I saw a couple of swatches of this on YouTube and I fell in love with it. And this box is gorgeous. I love the opera dancers and the roses on the side. It's really, really beautiful. Here's the bottle and what it looks like. And it's really, really pretty. So I'm going to ink this up now. Okay, that was a lot easier than I thought it would be. I had to watch a couple of videos on YouTube in order to know how to do that, but it went pretty smoothly. So let's see if we can write with it. Let's do a writing sample and see how this pen writes. So I had to make a little adjustment off camera and I got ink on me. Is it really a fountain pen video if you don't get ink on yourself? No. So the pen is writing now. I just had to make a small adjustment. I'm in my Hobonichi, which is where I plan usually, and let's give this a try. So we have Teranishi, Chemical Company. I really love this color. It is gorgeous. It starts out as a brown. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see it. But as it dries back, it turns into a beautiful, like dusty rose, and I really like it. So we're gonna write KAWECO times Hello Kitty. This is fine point. Oh gosh, it's so smooth. It writes so nicely. I'm not having any issues with it. I love the shading that this ink has. And I'm just gonna make a little box here. Scribble in that ink. Speaking of kitties. No, Bella. And just do some lines here. I'm really happy with how it writes. It has a little bit of feedback. You can hear that on the paper, but it does not feel scratchy. Definitely no scratching. And we're going to just make some little flowers here, little smiley face. And that's it, guys. I'm super happy with this. I'm really excited. I have been wanting to convert over to fountain pen for a long time. I was getting a lot of smearing in my Hobonichi weeks, on my weekly writing, and I finally took the nosedive into the fountain pen community. I had avoided it for so long. I finally stopped being scared and nervous about it and just said, let me go for it, and I absolutely love it. I am going to be doing a lot of writing with this. Again, that was Ternishi Chemical Company in Opera Rose. The bottle is absolutely beautiful and I love it. I'm getting ink all over myself. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe because I'm going to be doing more pen unboxings. We're going to have more pen days coming in the future. And now that it's been a few minutes, I'm going to show you that swatch up close, and I'm really happy with this pen. I feel like it was a good choice as a starter pen. I would consider this a mid-grade pen. It was quite expensive, but I believe that's because the Sanrio licensing. Most AL Sports like the brass run about 90 US dollars. This ran about 160 US dollars. So yes, quite expensive for what you're getting, but again, I believe you're paying for the Sanrio licensing with Hello Kitty. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I am brand new at this, so nothing technical here, just opening a pen, enjoying it, inking it up, and writing with it, and I'm really, really pleased. Make sure you subscribe because I'm going to have more new pen unboxings, fountain pen unboxings coming in the future. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.